David Berkowitz, known as Son of Sam, murdered 6 people in New York City from 1976 to 1977, claiming he received orders from a demon-possessed dog. Born on 1st of June 1953 in Brooklyn, David born to a Jewish mother, later adopted by Jewish-American hardware store retailer Nathan and Paul Berkowitz when he was just 8 old. At the age of 18, David enlisted in the US Army and served in South Korea, where he excelled as a proficient marksman. After finishing military service in 1974, David returned to New York, where he got a job as a letter sorter for the US Postal Service and settled into an apartment in Yonkers. On July 29, 1976, 2 teenage girls, Jody Valenti and Donna Lauria, were sitting in Valenti's car in front of Laura's home when David shot at them, killing Laura and injured Valenti. A few months later, David was at it again, spotting a couple, yet another parked car. He fired at them, resulting a massive injury to the man's skull. That November, he also shot at 2 teen girls walking home together and left one heavily injured. Police around this time had yet to put these shooting incidents together to realize they were related. January 1977, Christine and her fiancé David shot twice, striking Christine's head, which later proved to be fatal. Because he used the same .44 caliber gun in all of his shooting, the police were on his trail, initially referring to him as the .44 caliber killer, which later evolved to the Son of Sam. He left a letter nearby addressed to NYPD Captain Joseph Borley, calling himself Son of Sam for the first time. Throughout his murderous streak, David left numerous letters near his victims' bodies. July 31st, 1977. In Brooklyn, he shot Stacy Moskowitz and Valenti. Stacy later died, and Valenti was blinded in one eye and lost most of his vision in other from his injuries.
Floyd Calber, the news of the arrest of suspect David Berkowitz.
This is the man police believe to be the Son of Sam, the .44 caliber killer.
On August 10, 1977, authorities arrested him. According to the New York Times, David said, "Well, you have got me," when they took him into custody. In 1978, David pleaded guilty to the 6 killings as well as nearly 1,500 fires he had set in and around New York City. He received 25 years to life for each murder. During questioning, David explained that he had been commanded to kill by his neighbor Sam Carr, who sent messages to David through his dog, a demon possessed Labrador retriever named Harvey.